Want AI to help finish your entire to-do list faster? Here's the simple way to use Manus AI for task management. Start by opening Manus AI and listing all your tasks in one prompt instead of entering them one by one. For example, include things like writing emails, researching topics, creating content, or organizing plans. Next, ask Manus AI to break the list into smaller steps and prioritize the most important tasks first. This makes large workloads feel easier and more organized. After that, let Manus AI help complete the tasks by generating drafts, summaries, plans, or ideas automatically. You can review the outputs and make small edits instead of starting from scratch. Finally, update your to-do list as tasks are finished and reuse the same workflow daily to stay productive and organized. Now you know how to use Manus AI to organize and complete your to-do list faster by letting AI handle repetitive work and planning.